Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Dribble shorts to your website with the help of Elementor and ElementsKit. ElementsKit is one of the best add-ons for Elementor, comes with all-in-one solution. Some of its features are advanced mega menu, widget builder, Facebook Messenger, interactive animation and advanced parallax effect, and more than 500 of ready-made templates, and so on and on. If you are not familiarized with this plugin, go ahead and look at the description box. I have divided this video into two parts. The first part is all about creating Dribble app and getting the necessary credentials for the shorts. And in the second part, I will discuss the features and the designs comes with the Dribble widget. Alright then, let's get into it. In order to get the necessary credentials, first of all, you have to go to developers.dribble.com. After that, click on the register your application. Click on the button register your application. Alright. Now you have to fill up some of the fields here. The first one is the name. I'm going to write it WPmet, and the second one is the description. I'm going to write here Dribble shorts. Okay. And then you have to write your website URL. In my case, this is my website. I'm going to copy my URL. Make sure you copy your main domain. After that, you have to put your callback URL. Now, in order to get your callback URL, navigate to your dashboard. After that, go to ElementsKit, and there you'll find your user data option. From here, you scroll down and try to find the Dribble user data. Open it. At the bottom, you'll find your callback. Copy the entire URL, then go back to the Dribble page and paste it here. After that, click I accept, then create your application. Then you'll find a few more additional fields. If you're not willing to add them, it's up to you. After that, go all the way down and copy your client ID and client secret. Alright, now click Get Access Token. Now click on Authorize. Don't worry if you find this message, just close this window. And there you'll find your access token. Save changes. Now you are ready to use the Dribble widget. In order to use it, we can go to Pages. There I have already created a new page. I'm going to open it with Elementor. In the left side, you have to search Dribble. There you'll find a Dribble Feed widget created by ElementsKit. You'll find an EKit badge. Drag in the widget on your page. Now let me walk you through some of the built-in style and the settings comes with this widget. Inside of the Content tab, the first option you'll find is the Layout option. There you'll find around 5 different type of layout option. And then you'll find the column count. Right now it's up to 4, but you can make it up to 6. But as I have a limited amount of post, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the 3. Alright. Now if you go to the style, there you'll find all the controls to customize this option. For example, you can change the background color. You can use padding. You can customize the feed header, cart container, feed cart, and arrow icon. Now if you hover on any of the item, you'll find the arrow icon. If you click on it, it will take you to the actual Dribble page. If you want to customize it, open the arrow icon. You can change the icon from here and icon size from here. Now go to the feed cart. Change the background color from here. In order to show you what kind of things you can do with this widget, let me walk you through our landing page. If you go to our landing page, you'll find some of the designs that you can make with this Dribble widget, or if you want to use them, you can also do it with ElementsKit. Now this is the first design. This is the second one. This is the third one, it's a bit of larger one. And this is the design with the description. There is another one. This is a sixth with a gradient style. If you want to use this ready-made templates, go ahead and look at the description box and watch some of the videos that we have mentioned there. So this is all about the things you need to know in order to use the Dribble widget of ElementsKit. Alright, thank you for watching.